Welcome to our latest Pianoplan video. Today we present our new fork accessory, assembled and designed for the Pianoplan Vertical model. To remind you, the Pianoplan is a compact, performing material handling solution with 2 independent tracks and a maximum capacity of 600 kilos, 100% battery powered. Now, let's look in detail at some of the features of the new fork accessory. First, here we have a steel base with aluminium backplate. You can see the trolley inside the base, which is adjustable. The forks reinforced with special grip surfaces and rotation. Here we see the extra large outrigger accessory. Once deployed, it gives the machine a maximum lift capacity of 500 kilograms. Okay, now let's see our Pianoplan with fork accessory in action. First, position the machine near the load. Stabilize the machine using the outriggers. Now, place the forks under the load. Remember to secure it for safety. Lower the load onto the Pianoplan. Simply remove the stabilizers and away. And remember, depending on what you're loading and moving, there is always the option to rotate the object at 90 degrees. Let's go. Pianoplan, small but powerful.